Okay, this is a brief video of our 1998 Daewoo DMV-400 auto pallet change. There's the front pallet area, remote jog handle. Give you a quick side view. Sorry, we're a little packed in here, so it's not easy to give you full pan shots of the machine, but I'll do my best. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put this in here just so I can have my hands free. Alright, the spindle's currently at 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. 9,000. There's 10,000 RPM. Okay, rapids. Let's go. Here's Z-axis, and be forgiving, it's machines on wood, so it's only balanced so well there'll be a little sheet metal vibration. Okay, here's Y, and here's X. Oh, and I'll do a quick tool change. Sorry about that. I apologize about the compressor. There's your tool change. I hope that's everything you needed. Again, sorry about the compressor, but that's your machine.